We're very happy to have you here for the presentation of the Porsche Taycan. With the Taycan, it's the first full electric sports car we present.
In this car, we see the DNA of the 918 Spider super sports car and the 919 Hybrid, our three-time winner of Le Mans. Let's have a look at the key facts. Top track speeds, up to 260 kilometers per hour, consistently over a long period. 0 to 100 in just 2.8 seconds. 0 to 200, amazing 9.8 seconds. And not only once or twice, but many times in a row with no loss of power. The overboost function in launch control provides a peak power of up to 560 kilowatts, which equals 761 PS in the combustion world. And the maximum torque of the Taycan is up to incredible 1,050 Newton meters. It has proven as much on the Nürburgring Nordschleife, where it achieved a sensational lap time of 7 minutes 42 seconds only. But there's much more it can do, namely long distances. WLTP, the Taycan achieves a range of up to 450 kilometers. It can charge with a peak power of 270 kilowatts. This means under ideal circumstances, it takes just 5 minutes to be ready for another 100 kilometers of range. The Taycan is the first series production car based on an 800-volt system. In addition to that, we have developed a 2-speed transmission for the rear axle. The first gear ensures maximum takeoff performance, while the second offers high speeds and accelerations reserves, as you expected in a sports car. We have succeeded in an outstanding drag coefficient of only 0.22 without any compromising on the design, which you will see later. Systems like electric active roll stabilization, 3-chamber air suspension, and rear axle steering are available. The Taycan also has best-in-class regenerative power, up to 265 kilowatts, only by using one pedal, the brake pedal.
The most important factor in the beginning, the proportions. And the Taycan definitely redefines that in the segment. Proportions that fit Porsche with a sporting width-to-height ratio. The unique layout of the batteries in the chassis makes this form possible. As a result, the rear passengers sit even lower than expected, and the driver position is very similar to that in the 911. But now let us have a look at the front. We no longer need more space for combustion engine. Therefore, we could lower the bonnet. Combined with the extremely pronounced front fenders, we can emphasize the topography of the front end, which is typical for Porsche. Characteristic on the front are the new headlights with their progressive and very slim graphic. The headlight shape has a floating optic and combines itself with a functional air curtain. This optimizes the aerodynamics and increases its range. Two further important features in side view are the fast sloping roofline and the side window graphic, which is inspired by the 911. In the interior, the challenge to connect heritage and future of the brand was even greater. The driver display, with its new freestanding curved design, emphasizes the form and ensures everything of importance is in the view. The clean and minimalistic design of the dash panel is supported by a seamlessly integrated center display, an optional front passenger display, and a new innovative air vents. The sloping center console combined with the modern sports seats emphasize the feeling of a low and very sporty sitting position. The material and color concept make it possible to tailor individual features from traditional through modern. Classic leather is available as well as a sustainable tanned leather, and for a first time in a Porsche, we offer completely leather-free trim.
It is different from anything else we have created in more than 70 years of Porsche sports car. 100% electric, 100% Porsche.